It's around half one now, so I'll study until 6, 5, and then come back to take a break and eat, and then go back again until 12. Then when I come back around 12, I will study here in my room until 3 or 2 a.m. Then I'll sleep. Okay, let's go. And I just came back from studying, so I'm preparing something to eat so I can have dinner. So I'm full. Yeah, I think it's okay. It's close. Don't continue with the passport because I need to take my questions. Yeah. So.
I wish I would have in low cabang to the city. More pillar is a shabala level for my soul. School day, which the man is going to Baba when you're born. When did you want? Uncle, you ask if you're so late. One black national was I was not born in school day. That was like, me, I don't have told Lukulum and how would they have a equal in low. Kind of my eye. In
January 2022, it was about where are our drugs, meaning where is the 541 pages, not where is the small person. Yes.
So when they were asking you in January 2022, they were asking you about the 541 kilograms. Yes, not the sample.
Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing. Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived. Don't be sleeping on your level, cause it's beauty in the struggle, nigga. Beauty in the struggle, nigga. Yeah. It's beauty in the struggle, ugliness in the success. Hear my words and listen to my signal of distress. I grew up in the city and know sometimes we had less. Compared to some of my niggas down the block, man, we were blessed. And life can't be no fairy tale, no once upon a time. But I be goddamn if a nigga don't be trying. So tell me, mama, please, why you be drinking all the time? Cause all the pain he brought you still linger in your mind. Cause pain still lingers on mine. On the road to riches, listen, this is what you find. The good news is, nigga, you came a long way. The bad news is, nigga, you went the wrong way. Being broke is better, life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Think being broke is better, life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. For what's money without happiness? Or hard times without the people you love? Though I'm not sure what's about to happen next. I ask for strength from the Lord up above. Cause I've been strong so far, but I can feel my grip loosening. Quick, do something before you lose it for good. Get it back and use it for good. And touch the people how you did like before. I'm tired of living with demons cause they always inviting more. Think being broke was better. Now I don't mean that phrase with no disrespect to all my niggas out there living in debt. Cashing minimal checks. Turn on the TV, see a nigga Rolex, and fantasize about a life with no stress. I mean this shit sincerely.
What can I say? Also head to the entire community of Nava and Mosobe, and raise the community police around what's really about this. And we fight this love and entity, and we are not guilty about what did happen. And we understand it's still a young boy, future for his family, and we
when I touch down. I thought I get like a family take a box up. Get it deep water, come on, big it like Kahman. Like black of rice, what's what? When you figure, tell me let it material and move my hip hop. I did at 16, see already come. But you know, my money, Rafita, boss Rafita. I'm so much, I love